Apostle?
I am on live. I'm doing a live right now because I'm just waking up. I'm just waking up from a dream concerning Jamaica. Man of God, I just came out of a dream. I'm doing the live. It's dark. My phone is dark because there is no light on. And in the morning, I'm going to do, God's willing, I'm going to do another video. I just got up from a dream. There is a great flood coming to Jamaica. There is a great flood coming. I saw people on trees. I cannot tell you. I didn't see no rainfall. All of a sudden, it looks like I was looking through. Maybe I was looking through a window. There is a flood coming that compares to no other flood I have ever seen. Listen, I said let me take up the phone and call you all now while I am doing this. I'm not seeing anybody on live now, but there is a flood. I just saw a flood, my God. God did not show me how the flood happened, what caused the flood. But there is a flood coming to Jamaica, will be the most devastating flood ever. And high waters, and I saw people on trees. People were trying to now the flood that I saw ever will bring tens of thousands high waters, and I saw of death. Where's your wife? I had to call you all to let you all know what I just saw. I am coming out of my sleep. I went to bed very early, and that flood that I saw coming to Jamaica is you are going to have tens of thousands of people dead. I saw people hanging on trees. My God.
My God. My God.
Where's prophetess? In the morning, I will do your... Listen, y'all were in the dream.
Apostle?
It's not good for Jamaica. Where she tell her to start to pray for Jamaica. Those waters I saw, my God, I saw people on trees, my God, trying to save their lives.
I know it's a possible. My wife's like a dream similar I saw this film as well many years, a few years ago. Even the other night we were in sleep capacity under the boat. It's hard breeze and raining, like lightning and thunder, as you have John God. And this gentleman, he was so frightened. Everybody talking about it.
Well, man of God, I have it recorded on Facebook now. And in the morning, God's willing, I will do a main video for this. But there is a flood coming to Jamaica that is going to kill tens of thousands of people. I got up from the dream and I could not believe water was so high. I saw people on trees. And y'all need to pray right this moment and ask the Lord for mercy, that God will stop this flood that is coming to Jamaica. I don't know, y'all need to ask for mercy. Y'all need to get the church to pray, to ask for mercy. Because that flood that is coming to Jamaica, oh boy, tens of thousands. The bodies of tens of thousands of people will be underground.
Jesus. Is this serious, Apostle? Trust me.
Yes, so I said, let me call y'all. Let me call y'all in the morning. I didn't want to forget the dream. In the morning, I will do a official video by the grace of God and put it out there. All right, I love y'all. God bless.
All right, take care of you.
All right, so I just want to let Jamaicans know that there is a great flood. I just witnessed a great flood that will come to Jamaica. Tens of thousands are going to die in that flood. And I saw people on trees. So this is the video I'm doing right now. Jamaicans, you must wake up. You must turn your life around, because the flood that is coming to Jamaica is going to take tens of thousands of lives. I just saw that. God bless you.